Okay, pzip is a Linux port of 7-zip for Linux that is usually in the repositories, but is an older version. I'm going to install the actual 7-zip program for Linux that is now available. Open up a web browser and go to 7-zip.org/download.html. And scroll down until you find 7-zip for Linux. And I'm going to download the 64-bit Linux x86-64. Click the download button. Save file. Next, open a terminal in the folder where you downloaded the file. And then type tar xf and the name of the file you downloaded. You do an ls, and the executable is 7zz. And the next thing we need to do is move that. So type sudo mv 7zz/user/local/bin. Okay, next type 7zz and we'll make sure 7-zip is working. This will bring up the help file. And if you scroll up, you'll see all the available commands. So it looks like we've successfully installed 7-zip. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.